Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, the Supreme Court has instructed the Election Commission of India not to delete any data from EVMs until further notice. The top court posed questions to the poll panel regarding the standard operating procedure followed for EVMs after elections conclude. So today, the Apex Court has asked the Election Commission of India to file its response within 2 weeks on a plea seeking directions to the poll panel to include the checking and verification of burnt memory of EVMs in their SOPs. A bench of Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta heard the petition by the Election Watchdog Association of Democratic Reforms Haryana and a group of Congress leaders. The petition urges the formulation of a policy to check the original burnt memory and microcontroller of EVM components to verify that no manipulation has taken place. The bench issued the directive while hearing a petition that seeks to ensure EVM data is preserved after vote counting. For now, do not delete any data from the EVM nor reload any data, the Chief Justice stated. We will keep this after 15 days. Please file your response by then. Please do not erase the data and reload the data. Let someone just examine, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna told the poll panel. The Election Commission is expected to provide details on the process of burning EVM memory and microcontrollers after elections. Stressing the transparency of the system, the Chief Justice remarked, "This is not adversarial. If a losing candidate seeks clarification, an engineer can verify that no tampering has occurred." The next hearing on the matter is scheduled for March 3. So stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on YouTube and Facebook and also download our mobile application.